So, this is episode 0. We're Vlad and Milana. And this is where our story begins. Recently, we passed the theoretical exam for a truck license. And a few days ago, we started driving lessons. But until we hit the road in a truck, we're taking every chance to prepare and explore. From hiking, camping, road tripping, and just learning along the way. We'll be sharing the whole journey, the learning, the challenges, and what life looks like when you choose to live freely. If you're into nature, travel, trucking, or just chasing your goals, you're in the right place.
Yep, we're just getting started, and there is so much to share. From our first smiles behind the wheel to our quiet mornings by a lake. Every part of this path is a step toward our bigger dream. If you ever wanted to break routine, see the world, or just build something of your own, come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe, follow the journey, and let's see where the road takes us together.